Good morning, students. So, today we are starting with the new chapter of geography, that is our changing earth. Yes, so the chapter start with the meanings of lithospheric plates. What is lithosphere? That we have already learned in our previous chapter. Lithosphere is the upper layer of the earth crust. Now this earth crust is divided into the different plates, and this plates is known as the lithospheric plates. You can see the meaning over here. The lithosphere is broken into a number of plates known as lithospheric plates. Now you will be surprised to know that these plates move around very slowly, just a few millimeters each year. This is because the movement of molten magma inside the earth. The molten magma inside the earth moves in a circular manner as shown in the activity. What does that mean? It means जो ये लिथोस्फेरिक प्लेट्स हैं दे आर इन अ कंटिन्यूस मूवमेंट yes, but we don't feel it. Why we don't feel it? Because it moves few millimeters in every year, so such a mild movement we don't feel. Yes, now movement of these plates is basically because of the force, है ना. यस, कोई भी मूवमेंट है, अगर आप चल रहे हो या कोई चीज़ एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाती है, उस पर किसी तरीके का फोर्स होता है. तो जो ये लिथोस्फेरिक प्लेट्स का मूवमेंट है जिससे हमारा अर्थ चेंज हो रहा है, दैट इज़ बेसिकली बिकॉज ऑफ टू फोर्सेस. दे आर एंडोजेनिक एंड एक्सोजेनिक. Yes. So what are endogenic and exogenic forces? Endogenic forces means internal forces and exogenic means external forces. Yes. See here, meaning is also given. The forces which act in the interior of the earth are called endogenic force, but the forces that work on the surface of the earth are called as exogenic forces. यानी वो फोर्स जो अर्थ के विद इन एक्ट कर रहे हैं, लिथोस्फीयर के नीचे से उस लिथोस्फेरिक प्लेट्स पे फोर्स डाल रहे हैं, उन फोर्सेस को कहा जाता है एंडोजेनिक फोर्स. और वो फोर्स जो अर्थ सरफेस के ऊपर हैं उन्हें कहा जाता है एक्सोजेनिक फोर्सेस. दिस आर द फ्यू थिंग्स दैट इज़ देयर कि बिकॉज ऑफ एंडोजेनिक फोर्सेस की वजह से क्या होता है, अर्थक्वेक, वॉल्केनो, लैंडस्लाइड्स, माउंटेन्स बनते हैं. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ एक्सोजेनिक फोर्सेस देर आर चेंज इन द रिवर्स, विंड, सी वेव्स एंड glaciers. We will study all this topic in detail. Now the first, endogenic forces. Yes, endogenic force sometimes produce sudden movement and at the other time produce slow movement. Now what is endogenic movement? Endogenic movement are basically the movement which happens because of the molten magma that is present inside the earth surface. Yes, so the sudden movement like earthquakes and volcanoes cause mass destruction over the surface of the earth. So ये जो दो हैं ये बहुत बड़े रीज़न है जो एंडोजेनिक फोर्स की वजह से होते हैं. द मूवमेंट, the pressure, the force which is exerted by the molten magma that is present inside the earth. Now what is a volcano? Volcano is basically, this we have studied in last chapter also, the types of rock जहाँ हमने पढ़ा था. Okay, before that you can see endo means inside and exo means outside. So this is the word origin. Okay, a volcano is a vent opening, यानी एक ओपनिंग है कहाँ पे, अर्थ क्रस्ट में, थ्रू विच द मोल्टन मैग्मा इरप्ट्स. यस, यानी जहाँ से मोल्टन मैग्मा बाहर निकलता है, इनको वॉल्केनोज कहते हैं. सिमिलरली when the lithospheric plates move, the earth's surface vibrates and vibration can travel all around the earth. जो सडन मूवमेंट होता है, देखो हमने ये तो पढ़ा कि लिथोस्फेरिक प्लेट मोल्टन मैग्मा की वजह से मूव करते हैं. यस, बट जब ये अर्थ सरफेस मूव करता है, अचानक से मूव करता है एंड इन अ वेरी हाई प्रेशर, दैट इज नोन एज द earthquake. Now, two very important things that is to be learned in the earthquake is the focus and epicenter. Now, what is focus? Focus is a point. This is where the earthquake occurs. It is origin of the seismic energy. यानी inside the earth surface. जो मेन रीज़न है जहाँ की वजह से earthquake आया, जो सेंटर है inside the earth, that is the focus. और epic center क्या होता है? Just above the focus, there is a point on the land surface. That is the center of the earthquake on the lithosphere is known as epic centers. Yes, and the seismic waves जो होती हैं वो फिर वो सारे seismic waves क्या होती हैं? earthquake waves, वो सारे डायरेक्शन में रोटेट करती हैं. Yes, we will see. Although earthquake cannot be predicted, yes we can, but the impact can certainly be minimized if we prepare beforehand. Some common earthquake prediction method adopted locally by people include studying animal behavior, fish in the ponds, snakes come to the surface. Yes, so these are the few animal behavior by which we can guess, but actually it is not a thing that can be predicted, but yes we can take a proper measure for which we can reduce. Here it is given, an earthquake is measured on the machine called seismograph, and the magnitude of earthquake is measured on the Richter scale. जब earthquake 2.0 से कम का होता है, यानी रिक्टर स्केल पे, तो वो बहुत हमें ज़्यादा फील होता है, बट बेसिकली 5 और उससे ज़्यादा एन होते हैं तो हमें लिटिल डिस्ट्रक्शन होता है. 6, बट सबसे मेजर जो माना जाता है दैट इज़ ऑफ दी 7. नाउ अर्थक्वेक प्रिपेयर्डनेस, व्हाट वी कैन डू टू कीप आवर सेल्फ इक्विप्ड, यानी हम अपने आप को बचाने के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं ड्यूरिंग द. तो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड अ सेफ स्पॉट, यानी दैट कुड बी अंडर अ किचन काउंटर, टेबल, डेस्क, अगेंस्ट और इनसाइड अ कॉर्नर और वॉल. Now we have to be stay away from fireplaces, around chimneys, windows that shatter, including mirrors and picture frames. And we have to be prepared. How can we be prepared during the time of earthquake? We can be prepared during the time of earthquake by spreading the awareness. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Endogenic forces. Endogenic forces are the internal forces. Because of endogenic forces, there are earthquake, volcanoes. Yes. Then, because what is volcano? It is the opening on the earth crust from which the molten magma comes out, erupts out. Earthquake क्या है? Sudden movement. Now there are focus and epicenter. Yes. Then earthquake preparedness. Okay, tsunami भी आपने word सुना होगा ना. What is tsunami? Actually it is not given in your book, but for your understanding, earthquake, जब earthquake continental crust पे आ रहा है, यानी एक plain land पे आ रहा है, तो हम उसे earthquake के नाम से जानते हैं. बट वही earthquake जब oceanic crust पे आ रहा है, oceanic crust क्या होते हैं? The crust which is below the sea और ocean. जब earthquake oceanic crust पे आ रहा है, that is known as the tsunami. Yes. So in the next class we will be starting with the major landforms, that is basically about the exogenic forces.